What are the three major credit bureaus?
Dang, I don't know all three of them. Dang.
Who can spell credit bureaus?
Damn, we ain't gonna get that $20, y'all. It's your turn. You gotta answer one.
I answered the first one.
It's my man's bachelor party. Anything you want to say to the single people out there?
Don't do it.
Don't do it, guys.
We are in downtown Las Vegas getting ready to shoot another episode of Street Cred. I am here with two people who are a part of the team. We got Kristen, commonly known as Gax. Gax is the security. And Curtis, let them know why you came down here to film Street Cred with us, man.
Trying to see what these people's knowledge is about in regards to their economics. And it has some fun.
And it has some fun.
Definitely it has some fun.
Because if you ain't having funny, you ain't making money. Let's go. What's your name?
Madison.
Madison. I'm from Wisconsin. Got Madison, Wisconsin. You see the connection? So I actually travel the country and I ask people several financial literacy questions on my YouTube channel. And if you guys get them right, I give you $20.
I'm not good at none of that.
You never know, Carl. Carl, you never know. What's the worst that can happen? You get a free drink.
I need to get buzzed first.
So far we are 0 for 1 with getting a contestant. We gotta find somebody who is feeling it. Peace family, what's going on? This is Will Roundtree. I'm sitting here with my good friend,
Steve.
Steve said he is the manager, cook manager, right? If y'all haven't came to Flippin' Good Burgers, you gotta come. Their burgers are delicious. See, I came here, it was like 2, 3 in the morning. Cause you know, at 2 in the morning, everything good.
Flipping good all day long.
That's what I'm talking about, is flipping good all day long. Well, hopefully we got some flipping good credit, because we're going to ask some credit questions. So I'm going to ask you a couple financial literacy questions, Steve. You get all of them right, I'm going to give you $20. What you going to do with the 20, man?
Throw it in the bank, man.
Throw it in the bank. So first question, Steve. What are the three major credit bureaus?
You got Equifax. You got, is Credit Karma one or no? I know you got Equifax. Dang, I don't know all three of them. Dang. You got Equifax, TransUnion.
There you go.
They don't got good credit, man. Okay, we got Equifax, we got TransUnion, and what's the next one? I don't know the last one, though. Nah, I don't know that one, bro. I know it's Equifax and TransUnion.
All right. Now, that's because those are on Credit Karma. So the answers are Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian.
Oh, yeah.
So far we are 0 for 1 in getting them right. We had a couple people who was even scared to play. So a big shout out to my brother Steve. Day is still early. You never know who we gonna run into. 2023, Las Vegas, Street Cred. Let's go. Will Roundtree here. We are in downtown Las Vegas, and I'm sitting here with my good friends.
Jaden.
Nicholas. And Nicholas. Going around the country asking people several financial literacy questions, and I'm gonna actually let both of them get an opportunity to answer, and if they win, I have to do 25 push-ups because they said they don't need the money, they own the casino. So, question number 1, what are the three major credit bureaus?
Hard pass.
Hard pass.
Equifax.
Okay.
TransUnion.
Okay.
Experian.
There you go. Question number 2. At what age can you generate a credit score?
16.
No.
18.
18. I'm gonna let both of them keep running. They teammates today. Question number 3. What is considered good debt?
Hard pass again.
Nicholas gonna get you a shirt that say hard pass.
That's a hard one. I'll probably say like anything with student loans or something like that. I don't know.
Okay, no. That's not the answer. That was actually a good try. So good debt would be considered any debt used to purchase an asset. That would be considered good debt. You guys actually did a good, well, Nicholas, you did a good job. I'm just playing. Any last things you want to say to the people out there?
Live life, be happy, and be peaceful.
Be peaceful.
That's the only question.
That's the only question he can ask. Oh, hey, they gonna fight today when we leave here. All right, I appreciate y'all participating, man. Thank you, man. Y'all have a good night, man. Yo, look, I was nervous. I thought I was gonna have to do some push-ups. We are 0 for 2, downtown Las Vegas. Will Roundtree, we got the team behind me. Let's go. I am here with my good friends all the way from Chi-Town. Anything y'all want to say to the people back in Chicago?
Wish us luck.
Is that like the call of Chicago?
Yep, hey.
Hey, okay. I want to ask you guys 5 financial literacy questions. You get all 5 of them right, I'm going to give you guys $20. What are you guys going to do with the $20? Gamble. Turn the 20 to 200,000. All right. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Is that Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax?
Oh my gosh. The one with the most drinks got them right. Okay. Question number 2. At what age do you generate a credit score?
18.
18. Question number 3. What is considered good debt?
All debt.
All debt
No.
is not considered good debt.
All
Because if you
debt
get
is-
a car note, that's not
That
considered
is not
good debt.
good debt. Absolutely.
A mortgage.
You know what? I'm gonna probably give that to them. It could be a mortgage if you buy it the right way. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that to them. Last question. Who can spell credit bureaus?
And we ain't gonna get that $20,
Definitely ain't gonna help.
It's your turn. You gotta answer one.
I answered the first one.
See, the problem is it depends on
Answer the first
how you enunciate it. Because if you say borough, it's B-U-R. But if you say bureau, it's B-R-E. You a B-R-A. Something. B-U-R-E-A-U.
She got it right.
C-R-E-D-I-T.
Oh, they got them right. Curtis, I need a loan. I need to borrow some money. They said they are going to Harold's Chicken with this $20. There you go. Well, I appreciate you guys playing all the way from Chicago. If you guys can do me a favor, on the count of 3, can we say street cred? Do you guys mind that? 1, 2, 3. Street cred. We actually have another contestant who just so happens to work over at Container Park. How are you doing? My name is Will Roundtree, and I am traveling the country teaching people and asking several financial literacy questions. If you get it right, you get $20. Okay, may I ask, what is your name?
Stacy.
Stacy look like she got a lot of money because you own Container Park, right?
I do not.
Okay, I just figured I'll at least take a shot. Okay, so Stacy, first question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Experian, TRANSAMERICA, I don't know. I don't know, to be honest.
Okay, all right. So you didn't get it right. It was Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion.
Oh, see.
I appreciate you participating.
Not a problem.
Like I said, I've been traveling the country. Are you on social media? So yeah, if you don't mind giving me a follow.
Follow.
And we got this on tape. So when I come to Container Park, I get free everything, right?
Yes.
Free everything for me when I come to Container Park. Thank you, Stacy, for participating. Look, we are like 1 for 4 today. Look, I'm trying to get his money away because I told Curtis I wasn't giving him his money back. So I got to find at least 2 more people that's going to win today. 2023 Las Vegas Downtown Street Cred. Let's go. I am here with the lucky bachelor,
I'm Adam.
Adam. And when we're here with his 2 compadres,
Chris.
and
Cayman.
Cayman. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Bank of USA, I don't know.
Bank of USA. No, unfortunately, that is not the answer. So the answers are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Wouldn't even came close. But it's my man's bachelor party. Anything you want to say to the single people out there?
Don't do it. Don't do it, guys.
All right, man. Y'all have a good time, man. Thank you. Appreciate y'all participating, man. Look, I have a good time every time I come to downtown Las Vegas. We are filming Street Cred. I need you to follow me and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Will Roundtree on YouTube 2023. I need y'all to let me know what city would you like me to come to next so we can film Street Cred. Let's go.